everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be making some flower coasters together. So yeah, I guess other than that, let's just get straight into it. So this is the mould I'm going to use. It's just a heart coaster mould. I got this from Amazon. I've already mixed up my resin. I'll be using craft resin. If you want a discount code, I will link it down below. So I'm actually going to do this one in two layers, and I've put some white alcohol ink in this cup, which I'm just giving a little mix now. I used the Pinata white alcohol ink. I also added a little bit of this liquid gold into a tiny bit of resin. It's really metallic-y and beautiful, and I'm going to have this running through the centre of the coaster. I think it'll look really, really pretty, but it does spread loads, so hopefully I don't mess it up by doing that. And then I've just got some clear in another cup. I've decided to use paper cups today just because you can pinch them and pour quite accurately where you want it to go. So I'm just going to pinch the ends of the cups just like this. These are the flowers I'm going to use, by the way. These are just dried pressed daisies. You can get them pretty much anywhere. I think I got these ones from Amazon. And then what I'm going to do, I've got my white here and my clear here, and I'm going to pour it from the middle and try and get a fairly even line. I don't want to fill the mould fully because I want to add my flowers. So I think that should be good for now. And then I want to add a strip of gold down the middle. So I'm just going to use my popsicle stick to do this so it doesn't go absolutely everywhere, because this gold literally spreads out so much if you use lots. Okay, I really like how that's looking. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my flowers. Okay, I really like how that's looking. I think it looks really summery and nice. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave this to set for a couple of hours, and then I'm just going to top coat it with clear resin. I think what I'm going to do though is I'm just going to bring this gold a little bit more, just a little bit more out. It is the next day now. Usually when I pour in layers, I usually pour a couple of hours. Didn't get time to do that. So this is what it's looking like. It's been 24 hours now, and I'm going to do the top coat now. I've just mixed up my craft resin and I've let it sit for maybe 5 to 10 minutes or so. And then I'm going to top coat it, leave it for 24 hours, and then we'll be done. So the reason I let my resin sit before pouring is because it just eliminates any bubbles. Look how crystal clear that is. That's what I love about using craft resin, is it's just so like clear. Like, I just love it so much. Okay, so I'll be back in 24 hours and we will come and demold this together. So it is the next day now, and this is what it's looking like. I think it's so pretty, and that is it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos, and other than that, I will see you in the next video.